Hello everybody, this is my Genius Hour project on Coca-Cola experiments. Experiments were quite fun. I thought that they're gonna go a little bit differently, but they didn't. I had no idea what happened. I'll have to do some research in the future. I might do this again for my next project. And this is what happened to some of them right here. And I'll show them at the end as well, but this is what happened to some of them. And it was fun. I learned a lot of things on this project and what Coca-Cola can do and stuff like that. So yeah, now let's go look at the video here that we recorded, and yeah, let's see what happened. Alrighty, here we go. The first experiment that we're gonna do is with the milk and the Coke here. I'm gonna pour that in. Little bottle here. And this might take a few seconds to kick in. Not sure how long it's gonna take, but it might take a little bit. So we're gonna dump the milk in now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's good. That's gonna spill, but now, if we wait a bit, it should start to go clear. If not, then... If not, I think we'll have to pour that in. Yeah, just wait. This is gonna take a while. This one might be a little better. We're gonna put Coke inside this big bucket with the egg. We're gonna do the egg next. See what happens with that. Put a little bit of that in there. With the egg. Next, we'll put the egg in there. Alright. Then put the egg in. And we'll see what happens. And yeah. Sorry. Okay, so if you can hear, the acid is eating up the shell right now. If you can hear that bubbling sound, it's eating up the shell. If you look in there, it's completely eating up the shell. Alright, well, I'm gonna get this marshmallow bag open. And I'm gonna, whoops, oh, clumsy me. I'm gonna put marshmallow like this, and I'm gonna put it in this, and we're gonna have to wait for a while. As you see, acid is trying to eat at it already. It's already bubbling. Acid is fully eating at it right now. Yeah, so I watched a video and it completely turned into this weird snake-looking thing, and you can hear it bubbling if you can hear that. Not sure if you can yet, but it's in there. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, next up, baking soda. I hope this doesn't get all over the place. So we're gonna... Oh, okay, Allie, you should come over here for this. Look at this. Look what's happening.
Oh, wow.
See that? See? Look what happens. Watch. I'm only gonna pour a bit in. See? That is pretty cool, and if you do it a little bit more, last time, bubbles up a bit. Now, I'm gonna put another bottle in, a little bit, and then see what happens to that. put another half in there. Not too much though. Then, because you weren't there for the full effect really, so we're gonna do it again, watch. So we're gonna be putting an eraser in there now. We're gonna drop that in and we'll see what happens. And you can actually hear already the acid is eating up the eraser already. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna dump this in here. And we're gonna put an elastic band in here, see what happens. And dump that right in. Put it in. And it's floating. So we'll see what happens to that. Alright, we're gonna put the remainder of the milk in this because that's the Coke that we just did the experiment on earlier. We're gonna put the remainder in that. And we'll see what happens. I'm trying to see what happens down here. I really can't see anything. Kind of like people said earlier, it looks like coffee. And yeah, that's really it. Yeah, that's really it. Yeah, I might shake it. Alright, that's it. Alrighty, that was my Genius Hour project. It was super fun. I like the Coca-Cola project experiments. It was really fun. I really got scared on some of the experiments, especially the milk. I was afraid that was gonna spill, but that's it. And this is my project, so yeah, I might do it again. I'm not sure, but we'll have to wait and see.